Okay. Oops. Let me go back. Today is day 4 of becoming profitable. And just to be clear, I've actually traded a lot more than oh, this is this market. I've traded a lot more than 4 days. I've traded more like a year and a half about now, with like a month or two of break, or like a couple weeks to a month. Besides that, it's been all in a row. Okay. So we go here with the overall bias. So we had the Asian session kind of chop, came down, swept, and London was looking super bad. So we could probably expect London to be decently choppy. We have news at 10, which was Jolt's job openings. So we were going to wait for that, but I didn't do crap. Let me actually write that down. Jolt's job opening doesn't do crap. So let's get into it. For overall bias, probably because we had the London sweep, we'd probably want to see these highs get taken out in some sort of way. And we're kind of getting legs up. And we had an hourly close through a gap as well for the 8 to 9 a.m. hourly. So we're overall pretty bullish. Okay. So market opens, first 5 minutes, straight dump. On MNQ, we take out all these low, or two of these lows. Well, this is still in this gap, and now I'm down. This is not at this lows. So definitely possible S&T. A little further down. Let me see a leg up. So we get an S&T. So now I'm like, honestly, if I knew Jolt's this thing about being unprofitable, I don't know if Jolt job openings is gonna do crap or not. I don't know if it used does stuff. That's something I have to research. But if you get an S&T, and for my strategy, I want to see an not S&T. I want to see a reversal, which it could be S&T invalidation of fair value gap, and this could be 5 or 15 minute, 5 minute break of structure, something just to reverse, and then a retrace. And it would be fire if we got some sort of, or 5 15-minute confluence plus 5 minute retrace, or 5 15-minute confluence, no retrace, but 5 minute like tap into it for rally gap. So it would be fire if we close to this, and then got 5 minute retrace, and then boom. Off that 5 minute retrace, I was probably be looking for entries. But instead, market comes right back down. Now, what do we have here? Another S&T. And for an S&T 5 minute S&T to play out, it has to take out some sort of 5 minute liquidity, which this did. So that already played out, so it doesn't matter. And now, this is stretching this gap while making S&T. Now are we bearish? So at this point, I'm just waiting for news at 10. I'm taking those 5 minute lows out, which could have been a trade, but I want to wait for news. And then we come right back up. So now there's no S&T. We took out these lows. Actually, price didn't take out these lows, did they? Yeah, so we actually still have another 5 minute S&T. We then proceed to go up above these highs. Now I'm thinking price most likely is going to get down. And on the 15-minute, I don't know what it is, it's this one. Yeah, really respecting this gap. Nothing's closing through here. Now I'm bullish and bearish, mainly bullish. And this was 10. We now have a fair value gap there, but we go straight through. Now I'm like, okay, respect this 15-minute gap. On this 5-minute. We haven't broke structure back to the upside. Both these are looking super bearish. I'm like, alright, we're going short. Now, why was it stupid? As I said earlier, 15-minute, still respecting that gap. And we just hit these draws of liquidity down here. There's still more on MES, but these are also just as likely. And I think going short wouldn't be bad, but we're playing within this whole entire range. Actually, if we go to these highs, like playing within this range, we're just tapping back and forth, back and forth. It's not how we want to trade. We want to trade reverse, go up, continue, and go back up, or whatever. We don't want to trade do. We want to trade do, sweep, boom. I mean, that's how we make money. But if I'm unprofitable, I did not see this. And so I lost $350 unfunded. So I ended off that invalidation. Yeah, it was actually like right here. The price ended up. I should have waited for price to low key take this out, or at least take out these 1-minute highs. So I should have entered, and I should wait for bullish. Like I could have entered here. Although we closed through that, we tapped through that. Like I could have easily have entered here with a much better stop. With another better stop loss. Who's calling me? Butcher. Cancer. No trade. And that would have played out. I would have just waited for confirmation. But even at that point, I think just how price was moving, and it would have respected this 5-minute gap too. I'm not entirely mad about taking the short. It's just the entry and how price was already choppy before. So today should have just been a no trade overall. And I guess I was, but then the price probably went all the way back up. I didn't. So it remained choppy. So price overall should have just been a no trade. But that's why I'm unprofitable. I'm learning. But that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching.